I've told you before na before pa maging tayo, I have prayed for you. And today, with the grace of our Creator and great orchestrator, I'm humbled to stand here with you, not as your girlfriend, but as your wife and life partner.
I am your home, always and nine ever. Sabay tayong tatandaan ng magkasama, tatandang ipaprank mo ka whenever the opportunity arises.
Basahin ka ba? A letter to my groom. Can't wait to see you at the end of the aisle. I am home. I love you, my soon-to-be husbando. Pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice ka mami.
I have always prayed for your happiness. And ako pala yung part ng happiness na pinagdadasal ko for you.
I love you with all my heart and soul, Eliza May. You are my Mrs. na. I love you ulit. Gigil ako, mamaya ka sa akin. Ito ang aking wedding vow.
Siya, ang understanding niya, kasi ako yung malayo. Tapos yun, lucky ako. Kasi understanding siya. Ganun. Tapos, hindi siya mabilis magalit. Yan. Tapos lagi din siyang nag-update. Chill lang. Ganun.
Alam mo, ano nga yun eh, parang parati namin na pag, kunwari may nabibring up yung ganong question. Walang nagka-come up sa mind ko eh. Kasi, hindi namin masyado dinidibdib yung mga problem. Tapos napag-uusapan, siguro, on top of my mind, yung wedding preps. Wedding preps lang naman, tas nothing major naman.
Kagabi, muntik ako maiyak. Naiyak pala ako. Kasi, yun nga, parang na-stress na ako kasi di ba plansyado lahat. Pero, ayun, okay naman na nung pumasok na ako sa kwarto. Huwag kang umiyak kasi sabi mo hindi ka iiyak eh.
Yeah.
Para sa iba lang yung tissue.
Best wishes na talang na. Oh.
Thank you and be happy.
Opo. Huwag kang umiiyak.
Love you na. Hindi ko lagi si Mami for you and for IC. Love you.
Thank you for sticking it out with me, for loving, caring, and understanding me. In you, I know I have found my home.
Ngayon dadako na po tayo sa pinakahihintay ni Matt. Matt, you may now kiss your beloved wife.
Wala ka.
Taas yun.
I love you, Brian Macho Talag, my husbando. You can now call me Mrs. Talag. Always your Mimi, now your wife.